Good day. We are the Group 5 reporter and our topic is all about operations, scheduling, and sequencing. So, introduction. Ang operation, scheduling, and sequencing ay makatabang sa organization nga maplan kung kanus-a buhaton ang mga task o unsay sakto nga order. Ang scheduling is kang muset siya sa timeline o kinsay assign, while ang sequencing is kung kanang for example kanang mo decide sa pinaka the best nga order para dili ma-delay ang trabaho. Together makatabang sila nga mapaspas ug mas ma-organize ug mas ma-efficient ang process. So the next is importance of scheduling and sequencing. So first is improve workflows and reduce bottlenecks. So, first importance is good scheduling. Make sure tasks are organized in the right order. This prevents routine step from getting overloaded while others have nothing to do. As a result, work flows smoothly instead of piling up with one area. And the second one is allocate resources wisely. So scheduling help managers knows when and where to use people, machines, materials, and time. This avoids overworking some resources while others are unused. Everything is used more efficiently. And the next one is minimize waiting time and idle time. So when tasks are arranged properly, workers and machines don't just sit and wait for the next job. This saves times and reduce delays, making the whole process faster. And the next one is enhance customer satisfaction through on-time delivery. So with a good scheduling, so products and services are complete on time. This leads to faster delivery, fewer complaints, and more satisfied customer. And the last one is increase overall efficiency and performance. So when the workflow is smooth, so resources are used well and delays and reduced. The entire organization performs better. Productivity increases, costs go down, and results improve.
My topic is all about scheduling tools and techniques. So, scheduling tools and techniques, it can help plan to organize and track tasks efficiently. So, these are the methods you use to plan and manage schedule. So, first is Gantt chart. So, a Gantt chart is a visual timeline that shows the start and finish dates of tasks. It helps managers track project progress and identify dependencies between activities. Second is critical path method or CPM. So CPM identifies the longest sequence of tasks that must be complete on time to avoid project delays. It helps determine which tasks are critical and which have flexibility. Third one is program evaluation and review technique or PERT. So PERT, it uses optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely estimated to account for uncertainty in task duration. It is useful for complex projects with unpredictable timeline. So fourth is workload and resource scheduling. So these techniques ensure that staff, machinery, and materials are assigned efficiently. Tools like resource leveling and capacity planning help prevent and downtime. So fifth one is priority rules for sequencing. So these rules for sequencing are simple guidelines used to decide which job of task or task should be proceed first. These are the common rules. The FCF or first come, first serve. Second is SPT or the shortest processing time. Third is EDD or earliest due date. Last one is LPT or longest processing time. So we have a practical case study, and our practical case study have three cases. So first cases is a manufacturing assembly line. So our example for this is smartphone assembly line. So a scenario here is a simple smartphone assembly plant experienced delays because some machines were ideal while others were overloaded. So a manager decided to use a Gantt chart and resource scheduling to optimize production. So here are the steps to make the Gantt chart. So first step, we list all tasks in assembly process. So first is component preparation. 2. Circuit board assembly. 3. Screen installation. 4. Battery insertion. 5. Quality testing. And the second step is map tasks over a weekly schedule using our Gantt chart. And the third step is assign machines and workers efficiently to reduce ideal time. So, nakoy chart nga gibuhat. Dayon ako siyang gibutangan og task dayon Monday to Friday. So, each check nga nakabutang is represent the days that the task is scheduled. So ginalahi-lahi or interval ang task to ensure machines are used continuously without ideal time. So napod ko'y resource scheduling table nga gibuhat. Same lang gihapon siya pero nadungagan siya og notes. So ang resource scheduling table kay usa ka simple nga table nga nagpakita ug unsang task ang gamiton sa certain time ug kinsa or unsang machine ang assigned. So mo ni siya pud ang usa sa makatabang pud siya para makita kung kinsa or unsa nga machine ang busy ug kinsa ang ideal time ug unsa dapat i-adjust para mas smooth ang workflow. So case study number 2, service center job sequencing using SPT or shortest processing time. So the scenario here is a small electronics repair shop noticed long customer waiting times. Customer often complain about delays, especially when quickly repairs got stuck behind larger jobs. So the solution nga among mabuhat is SPT. Same sa akong gingon nina nga using SPT or shortest processing time. So the shortest job is software update. So dapat kani ang una nga buhaton kay mo may mas kaning gamay nga oras, dili siya dakog consume sa oras nga buhaton. So mo ni siya dapat ang first nga buhaton. Second is screen replacement, and the job continue in ascending orders of processing times. So the result are quick jobs are finished fast. Then case study 3 is construction project planning. So scenario is a construction company is building a small office building. Multiple contractors handle different tasks, and managers want to ensure the project finishes on time without cost overruns. So, ang ilang gigamit ani is PERT or Program Evaluation Review Technique to estimate task duration, and CPM or Critical Path Thinking to identify tasks that cannot be delayed. So, here are the list of tasks with PERT estimates. So, ang list of tasks kay lista ni siya sa mga buhaton or activities nga kailangan humanon. Makita diri ang order sa task, unsay priority ug kinsa ang assign para maklaro ang mga ang flow sa trabaho. So, the critical path thinking is one with the longest total duration. So, ang total duration niya diri is path 2. And then, task on the critical path, the ABC, E, G, and H cannot be delayed without affecting the project finish date. And other tasks, the D and F, have same float, meaning they can be delayed slightly without delaying the project.
I will be discussing the topic about challenges in scheduling and sequencing. Organizations often face multiple challenges when planning and sequencing tasks. Some common ones include limited resources, example, not enough machines, workers, or materials to complete tasks on time, can cause bottlenecks and idle time. Next, unexpected delays like machine breakdowns, absenteeism, supply shortage, or weather conditions in construction projects. And the next is that changing customer demands, like orders may change in quantity, specifications, or delivery dates, makes it difficult to maintain a smooth workflow. Next, inaccurate time estimates, like task durations, may be underestimated or overestimated, leads to idle resources or missed deadlines. Next is complex task dependencies, like some tasks cannot start until others are finished. Misunderstanding dependencies can cause delays or confusion. Next is coordination across teams, like multiple teams or constructor worker working together may have communications gaps. Poor coordination can create conflicts and deficiencies. And the next is prioritization conflicts, like deciding which task to do first can be tricky, especially in multiple urgent jobs compete for the same resources. Then data and tracking issues. Without proper tracking tools like Gantt charts, PERT, or scheduling software, it's hard to know what is on schedule and what is delayed. Next is ways to overcome scheduling and sequencing challenges. So first, use flexible and adaptive scheduling techniques, like tools like Gantt charts, PERT, and CPM allow managers to adjust tasks and conditions change. Flexibility helps delays, reassign resources, and keep the workflow continuous. Next is make data-driven decision. By analyzing historical data and real-time metrics, managers can allocate resources efficiently, predict bottlenecks, and schedule tasks realistically. Next is implementing continuous monitoring, like regular progress tracking. Tracking ensures early detection of delays or problems. Managers can take corrective actions promptly and instead waiting until deadlines are missed. Next is improve communication and coordination. So clear communication across teams prevents misunderstanding and ensure everyone knows prioritize deadlines and responsibilities, collaborative platforms, and regular meeting helps. Next is build buffers and contingency plan. So scheduling extra time to back up resources prepares for unexpected issues like machines, breakdowns, absenteeism, or supply delays. Prioritize tasks effectively. Using rules like SPT or shortest processing time or critical path analysis, managers can focus on tasks that impact overall deadlines, ensuring important works and complete first. Next is optimize resource allocation. So assigning machines and tools and workers based on workload and skills levels ensures resources are fully utilized without overloading any part of the system. Next is standardized procedures and workflows. So clear standardized process reduces confusion and delays. Employees know exactly how to perform tasks and in what order, improving efficiency and reducing errors. Next is use technology and scheduling software. So modern software allows automatic task sequencing like real-time updates and visualization of dependencies. So these reduce manual errors and help managers react quickly to changes. Next is train employees on scheduling awareness. So employees who understand the importance of scheduling and sequencing can help spot issues, adhere to timeline, and cooperate better with colleagues. In conclusion, operation scheduling sequencing are essential tools for achieving smooth and efficient operations. By using techniques such as Gantt charts, CPM, PERT, and priority sequencing rules, organization can optimize workflows, reduce delays, and improve productivity. The practical case study shows how these methods bring real benefits across different industries overall. Effective scheduling helps businesses stay competitive, organized, and reliable. That's all for our report. Thank you.